Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. In today's air fryer recipe, we will be making oatmeal bread rolls. Without wasting time, let's dive into the preparation. We have here 3 cups of oats flour, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Put some of the water into the jug to heat up a bit for the yeast. Pour the warm water into an empty bowl. Then add the yeast, stir and set aside. To an empty bowl, add the oatmeal flour, add the salt, ginger, and cinnamon in the measuring spoons. Mix the dry ingredients to combine. Pour the yeast, then the honey, the oil, and mix very well. Try to knead the dough lightly. Make it flat with the help of your rolling pin and cut into small sheets. Grease the baking pan with oil using a brush or an oil spray. Arrange the rolled oats nicely into the pan. Cover with a cling film wrap and allow to sit for some minutes. Put into the air fryer and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring the baking pan out. Flip over the bread with the bottom facing up and put back into the air fryer for 10 minutes for browning. This is optional. That has been done, and this is what we have. The oatmeal bread is so filling. You can have one of these rolls and your breakfast is settled. Thanks for watching today's recipe. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.